Planking with scoliosis is a little bit controversial. There was a doctor in New York City who claimed that he could fix scoliosis only with planking. To me, I didn't buy it. I looked at the research, I called him up, I said, I'd like to see your data sets. He said to me, no problem, I'll send them to you. But he never did. I wrote letters to my professors who taught me about scoliosis, and I said, what do you think about planking for scoliosis? And they all said the same thing. They said, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So planking has a role in core strengthening. Planking can be used as a component of an exercise program, but in my estimation, absolutely it is not a complete protocol for treating scoliosis. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.